The secret is simple. Record and repeat. Not be afraid to hear your voice. When you listen to yourself, you learn faster. My name is Maria. I am from Madrid, Spain for many years. I learned English in school. I was a good student. I always got high marks. I understood my teachers. I understood songs and movies, but when I tried to speak, nothing came out. I felt shy. My hands shook my face. Became ready, wanted to say something, but my tongue did not move. One day, I watched a video about shadow engine, said listen and repeat at the same time. I thought, okay, I can try this every morning. I listened to short clips, 5 or 10 seconds. I played the line. I repeated again and again at first. I made mistakes. I sounded strange after 1 week. My mouth moved faster after 2 weeks. I felt stronger. I did not translate anymore. The words flowed like music. On morning at work. A tourist asked me for directions and I answered silly. I was so happy. I almost cried. No, I shadow every day. Even 10 minutes helps me connects. My ears, my brain, and my mouth. Me tip is simple. Shadow short sentences every day. Not wait for perfect grammar. Just listen and repeat. English will start to flowy. Everyone, my name is Aref. I live in Dhaka, Bangladeshi. Watched English movies. I listened to songs. I understood almost everything, but when I wanted to speak, I froze. Me tongue felt heavy. I thought too much one day. I watched an interview. A football player spoke fast and clear. I thought maybe I can sound like that too, so I tried something new. My imitation diary every evening. One short video. I listened 2 or 3 times. Then I recorded my voice. Copied rhythm, sound, emotional, reading, only listening. After 1 month, I joined an English-speaking club online. I still made mistakes, but I spoke more naturally. People said my accent sounded smooth. No, I do my imitation diary every night. It helps me relax. It keeps my English alive. Me message is simple. Do not only listen, imitate, record yourself. Be your own teacher. Hello, I am Kenji from Osaka, Japan. I watched English movies in high school. I understood everything with subtitles, but when I spoke, my brain was slow. I thought fast in Japanese, then I tried to change it to English. It took too long. People looked at me and I forgot my words. Me teacher said, stop translating, think in English. It sounded impossible, but I treated the morning. I spoke in my head. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. I am going to walk in the train. I looked around. The boy is playing. The woman is felt strange at first. After some weeks, English began to live inside my mind. He did not translate. Words came. I talk with friends online. Me technique is simple. Think in English. Even 2 minutes a day. Describe your world. Use simple words. You will feel Englishy. I am Sarah from Isfahan. Irani loved English, but I could not speak. The words stayed in my head at night. I tried the mirror. I talked to myself. How are you today? I feel tired but happy. I watched my face. I watched my mouth. Pretended to talk to a friend. Then I added details. I went shopping. I bought apples and tea. After 2 weeks, something changed. I stopped thinking in Persian. Sentences came faster. I even smiled while speaking English. Me message. Do not wait for some. Mira is your partner. Talk every day. Soon you will talk to every Anna. Let us talk about why this happens. Shouldn't you listen? Your brain is passive, like sitting in the passenger seat. Here, you recognized, you understand, but speaking is active. You must drive the cardio, control words, grammar, pronunciational, at onseyo, understand, because you heard a lot. Cannot speak because you did not use it. Inosigan reason. Fear. What if I sound bad? What if people laugh? Fear freezes your mouth. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Third reason. Think in your language first, then you change to English. Does not follow the same logic. Start thinking in English. I am getting up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. Describe what you see. The sky is blue. The bus is late. As soon you stop translating, you start communicating. Reason. You do not speak enough. Like swimming, you must get into the water. Talk to yourself. Read aloud. Record your voice. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. Rapisha is the bridge. It say, it use, It own active listening, help shadowing, connects ears and mouth feel the music of English. It is just speed listening team, is fast speaking team, is slow practice, builds the bridge between the two teams. Speaking is not talent, it is habitual. By little every dethera is nothing wrong with you only need time practice. Courage, your brain already knows. English no, let your mouth join the team start. Speaking, to dedo yourself to your phone, to your friends Beckos. Speaking grows by speaking thank you for learning. Keep practicing you can do it.